Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Dr. Shivam's Academy. If you're walking into this little space for the first time, then I am Dr. Shivam and I make videos on everything. Since the outbreak of coronavirus, I have been working as a frontline warrior and I have seen and treated more than thousands of cases. So today I'll be telling you certain differences in the second wave of coronavirus and the first wave of coronavirus. So what's new in this second wave? What are the new symptoms that you see in the second wave of coronavirus, and many more things in this video. Before we begin the video, if you have not subscribed my channel, then do subscribe the channel Dr. Shivam's Academy and also hit the bell icon so that you get all the notifications for my upcoming videos. Most of the countries across the globe are experiencing this second wave of coronavirus. There are many questions in mind that how is this second wave of coronavirus different from the first wave? Apart from this, each and everyone wants to know what are the symptoms of this second wave and how does this spread, and many more questions are there. Each and everyone has their own questions. So do not worry, I'll be answering to each and every question in this video. So guys, do watch the video till the end until and unless all your doubts are cleared in this video. This coronavirus disease, which has already caused lakhs of death across the globe, is back again. Yes, but this time it has come out with more energy, tactics and camouflage. This has several minute yet differentiating characteristics in terms of symptoms, the age profile and its distribution. This second wave of COVID-19, the pandemic disease, is now back and is more stronger and more dangerous. With the cases rising continuously and rapidly, this pandemic now appears to be a bigger threat across the globe than what it did in the first wave. A look at the pandemic situation in all the nations across the globe suggests that this second wave of coronavirus is more severe than the first wave. Take USA as an example. The country witnessed its COVID peak as early as April last year in 2020. The wave around July last year was more severe, reporting 3 times more cases when compared to the first wave in USA. The third peak in January this year in USA was even more worse, with USA touching more than 3 lakh cases in a single day. In India too, the second wave of coronavirus has been quite more severe when compared to the first wave, with India recording more than twice the number of cases that was recorded during the first wave. During the first wave of coronavirus in India, the local mutations did not play any contributing role. However, the current surge in the number of COVID-19 cases in India is being caused by the homegrown mutant variants of SARS-CoV-2. Coming to the new symptoms that is seen in the second wave of coronavirus, most of the symptoms are quite similar that was there even in the first wave of coronavirus, including fever, chills, lack of appetite, lack of taste, lack of smell. Apart from this, you also had respiratory distress, difficulty in breathing. These are similar both in second wave as well as in first wave of coronavirus. Other symptoms which were not common in the COVID patients last year has been reported in a greater frequency now. The COVID patients are now exhibiting some unusual symptoms such as abdominal pain, joint pain, weakness, loss of appetite. Apart from this, the most common symptom, which is quite common in both first wave and second wave, is the COVID pneumonia. There are also some symptoms such as gastrointestinal complications, diarrhea, vomiting, nausea. The transferability rate of the virus is quite higher. It seems that the virus has acquired a greater transferability now. The entire spectrum of age groups, from the pediatric to the geriatric population, everyone is getting affected. That is, from children or kids to the elderly people, everyone is getting affected from this second wave of coronavirus. Second wave is not even sparing the young children and adults. Yes, compared to the first wave, the number of cases among the young people is now increasing drastically. More and more children and young adults are being tested positive for COVID-19. The children are definitely more symptomatic now than what we saw in the first wave. In Delhi, hospitals are receiving infants as young as 8 months old with severe symptoms of COVID-19, including persistent fever, pneumonia and dehydration. Coming to the death rate of COVID patients during the second wave of coronavirus. Although the second wave is pushing the total number of cases which is being recorded every day, the death rate is also increasing. However, the total number of deaths that occurred during the second wave is still less when compared to the deaths that have already occurred during the first wave of coronavirus. But that doesn't mean that the second wave is not as dangerous as the first wave. Experts say that the case fatality is likely to increase with the surge in the number of cases. There are various measures that you need to take in order to prevent yourself and your family members to get affected from coronavirus. To know more on this, do watch my next videos that is going to come on this series of coronavirus. I'll be coming on with more and more videos on how you can prevent, I would say, the precautionary methods that you need to take in order to prevent yourself from being affected from coronavirus, and also how you can stop the spread of the virus from one person to another person. I will also tell you about the treatment that we give in hospitals to the patients who are tested positive for coronavirus. Apart from this, I will also tell you that how effective is RT-PCR during the second wave of coronavirus, and also give you more information on COVID vaccines. So guys, please do watch all the videos in this series of coronavirus and share with your friends and family members. Hope it helps everyone. Guys, if you have liked my video, then do click the like button, and yes, you can ask all your doubts and questions in the comment section, and I will certainly reply to each and every question. Apart from this, if at all the content is quite important, then I would certainly make a video on that. If you have not subscribed my channel Dr. Shivam's Academy, then immediately go and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell button so that you get notifications for all my upcoming videos. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. Stay safe, do wear mask and maintain social distance. I will see you in the next video. Catch you later. Thank you.